Hello everyone, let's do another knot here. This is Matthew Simmons here, bringing another original. This is going to be at the belt line. It's on my left side. This is the twist and shout knot. Let's get started. I'm going to put in a fold, just like so. Bring it over to the center. Come around like so. Come back around the base like that. And then there we have that. Now we're going to start a wreath. Come around like this. So we'll have that. Fold it in half, like this. Come across. Still fold it in half, then come across this top one here. Then we're gonna come back like that. Now we're gonna have this here, and I'm gonna do a wreath. Like this. I'm going to end it like that. Let me go ahead and put my collar down. There you have the twist and shout. Very lovely. Again, own your style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you on the next video.